Next, we will demonstrate the French knot. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 10. Bring the needle through at the circle center. Then, hold the floss with your left hand. Hold the needle in your right hand. Wrap the floss around the needle twice. Bring the needle down at center. We will see it form a small knot. At this point, pull the floss slowly. This prevents the knot from being loose. The first French knot is finished. Let's show it once more. Bring the needle through its center. Hold the floss with your left hand. Hold the needle in your right hand. Wrap the floss around the needle twice. Then bring the needle down at center. We repeat the previous steps. Complete the remaining pattern. Keep your hand steady while wrapping. Control the wraps and pull gently. Adjust French knot size by changing wraps and floss thickness. This French knot is complete. This French knot is complete. Let's see the finished result.